Hello, little farmers. Today, we're going to visit the farm and meet some amazing animals. Are you ready to hear the sounds they make? First up, we have the cow. What sound does a cow make? That's right. Cows say moo. Can you moo like a cow? Now, let's find a sheep. What sound does a sheep make? Sheep say baa. Can you baa like a sheep? Here come the chickens. What sound do chickens make? Chickens say cluck, cluck. Let's cluck like a chicken together. Next is our piggy friend. What sound does a pig make? Pigs say oink, oink. Can you oink like a pig? Look at the goat. What sound does a goat make? Goats say maa. Can you maa like a goat? Let's see what sound a goose makes. Ready? Geese say honk, honk. Let's honk like a goose. Here's a turkey. What sound does a turkey make? Turkeys say gobble, gobble. Can you gobble like a turkey? Now, let's listen to the ducks. What sound do they make? Ducks say quack, quack. Can you quack like a duck? Here comes a horse. What sound does a horse make? Horses say neigh. Let's neigh like a horse. And finally, let's hear what the donkey says. Ready? Donkeys say hee-haw. Can you hee-haw like a donkey? Great job, little farmers. You learned all the farm animal sounds. Thanks for visiting the farm. See you next time.